It's facing you.
Well, I know. Here, turn it now. Okay, there you go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have the Neon, trying to get it over to the tuner right now. So we got the axle out, as you can see there. It's pretty sweet. Tore that bad boy right up. We'll be trailering this thing over to the tuner and see what kind of numbers it puts down. So let's get to it. All right, so we're just waiting for Win right now. He's gonna let us use his trailer. Basically, we're gonna load up the car, take it over to the tuner, drop it off with the tuner, and let him start doing his thing with it. And hopefully, we can get some numbers here shortly on what this thing's gonna do. So I'm excited. Hope you all are. Here we go. So I messed up and did not turn on the microphone. The car is not a Tesla. It actually does make noise. We actually got the idle pretty dang good, and it sounded really nasty here. So I'm just going to show you the footage I have, and sorry about that. Alright guys, so we are on the road. We are going to pick up Dave right now at the shop. And I found a car on Facebook Marketplace. And we're going to go check it out. It's a little rough. It ain't like, you know, anything awesome. As far as the exterior is concerned, it's not very pretty. But it's really not about that. If you want any updates, like if you want to know about stuff before it actually happens, follow us on Instagram. My Instagram's WrenchiT_Joe, and Dave's is WrenchiT_Dave. You know, we're going to Cruise the Coast, which is a little event they have down here on the coast in Mississippi. It's pretty cool. They got, you know, lots of classic car type stuff and V8s, wheel drive. So this car's not really going to match that. Just, you know, just have something just to tool around in, and you know, maybe do some dumb stuff with it. That's all. And we might, you know, even if this thing looks good on the exterior, we get it, we drive it all the way down there, or trailer it. We might trailer it down there and just drive it down there because we don't know, you know, how long it'll last. From what they told me, nothing's been done to the motor internally. It's all been, like they put a clutch in it. It's the last thing they did. It's all been regular maintenance. It's nothing other than they said having an intake exhaust, which is pretty normal, and then a blow-off valve. And, you know, everything might look good, everything might check out fine. You get down there and you start doing stupid stuff and pop goes the rod, or, you know. So we don't want to do that. When you get that high mileage, I mean, everything's at risk. At the end of the day, our goal here, like, is to pull this motor out and build it the way we want it. I mean, 5 to 550 horsepower is relatively easily achievable in this car. So that's where we're going to shoot for. I know Dave really, you know, says 500 is about where he wants to be. I mean, I really want like 650 because I think 650 would be awesome. There's Dave right now. Let's go grab Dave and we're going to bring him in the car and we'll go get this thing, go check this thing out. All right, Dave. Welcome to the channel, buddy.
Morning, people.
Dave's super excited about the vehicle we're going to get. Stoked. You can see the gleaming excitement on his face.
Well, it's got a lot of miles on it.
Exactly.
Has a lot of miles and it's seen better days.
It's not the cleanest one.
You gonna hit that truck? Are we gonna run out of battery life before we get out of the parking lot?
I mean, sorry. Damn. Fucking dude was stuck out in the back. Alright guys, I think we've arrived. I'm just gonna say peace out and we'll see if they want to do any filming. If not, you won't see us again until after we have the car. So peace out.
Later.
Alright guys, Dave is in the car. He's driving behind me right now. We're out. Sort of go wide here, let Dave come by me. Alright, there he goes. Well, it may be ugly, but it sounds loud, I guess, or that thing sounds loud at least. We'll see what Dave thinks after we get it back to the shop. See this. Alright guys, so you may have seen my Instagram post. It was real quick, small, but this is what we bought. It's cheap. It's a little baby neon and SRT4. It's got 230,000 miles, I believe, is what's on that thing. The paint looks excellent. Actually, I had an '84 Honda Prelude with 400,000 miles. It looks exactly the same as this. So, guess we're gonna go for a ride. You know it's old when the shifter looks like that. I don't know if you can get that on camera, but that's the original shifter, and it looks like awesome.
That's the noise I heard earlier. Whenever I was jerking on
Jerking on your what?
I was jerking on the powertrain like that.
Little check engine light on. Yeah. That's how we roll. Just the EDAP code, no big deal. I was actually surprised that's the only code. We have this nice visor delete.
Right. It
Nice.
moves automatically wherever you
240,000 mile struts. Feel nice. Nice and tight. Honestly, for 240,000 miles, it really doesn't drive that bad.
No, it really doesn't.
Watch how Dave drives. And you can auto adjust it. You see that visor? Nice.
I thought that manhole was going to take the steering wheel out of my hands. It didn't like that. Coming around that turn. We're going to go by my house and show it to Brittany and get her on film.
Yeah. We should show the wifey. She'll love this thing. She'll be like, wow, can I have that? Can I drive that every day? Because that is awesome. And we are back. What do you think about that, Dave?
I'll disagree with the whole it looks good part, but other than that, yeah.
So here we go. Let's get some pressure washing going on this thing.